In this video, I'll show you the best stockbroker apps and websites in Canada and explain which one is actually worth using based on your investing style. A few years ago, I made a costly mistake by choosing the wrong trading platform because I assumed it was free. What I didn't realize was that hidden fees were slowly draining my money in the background. I only noticed months later, and by then, hundreds of dollars were already gone. That's when I learned that picking the wrong broker is like leaking money without even knowing it. To help you avoid that mistake, I'm comparing Wealthsimple, Questrade, and Interactive Brokers based on the things that truly matter, like commission fees, foreign exchange costs, account types, investment options, and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or a long-term investor, choosing the right platform can make a huge difference over time. Let's start with commission fees. Wealthsimple and Questrade both offer zero commission trading on Canadian and US stocks and ETFs, which is great for most investors. Interactive Brokers still charges commissions, but they're usually very small and depend on your pricing plan. For small Canadian trades, zero commission platforms win. But for larger US trades, Interactive Brokers can sometimes be cheaper overall, even with commissions. Now, here's where most people lose money without realizing it: foreign exchange fees. Wealthsimple charges a conversion fee when you buy US stocks and another fee when you sell and convert back, which adds up quickly. You can reduce this by upgrading, but otherwise it's expensive. Humze also charges a conversion fee, but you can hold US dollars in your account, so you only pay it once. Interactive Brokers has extremely low foreign exchange fees, making it the best option for frequent US market investors. Next, let's talk about account types. Humze offers the widest range of accounts, including tax-advantaged options like TFSA, RSP, RSP, and FHSA, making it ideal for long-term Canadian investors. Wealthsimple covers the most common accounts and adds features like crypto and savings accounts, but it lacks some advanced options. Interactive Brokers focuses more on active traders and doesn't support several Canada-specific registered accounts. When it comes to investment products, Questrade offers the most variety, including stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, bonds, GCs, and more. Wealthsimple keeps things simple, with core investment options, while Interactive Brokers stands out for advanced traders, with access to futures, forex, and professional-grade tools. Ease of use also matters. Wealthsimple is the most beginner-friendly, with a clean and simple interface. Questrade offers a good balance between usability and advanced features. Interactive Brokers is powerful, but complex, making it better suited for experienced investors. Finally, fractional shares and dividend reinvestment. Wealthsimple allows fractional investing and automatic dividend reinvestment, even with small amounts. Questrade requires enough dividends to buy a full share, and Interactive Brokers supports fractional shares but charges small fees. So here's the bottom line. If you're new and want simplicity, Wealthsimple is a solid choice. If you want the most balanced platform, with strong features and flexibility, Questrade is the best overall option. And if you're an experienced investor focused on US markets and low fees, Interactive Brokers is hard to beat. The best stockbroker app or website in Canada ultimately depends on your goals, your experience level, and how you invest. But choosing the right one can save you a lot of money and help your portfolio grow more efficiently over time. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and secure your online trading and financial accounts with one click. Use the link in the description to start your NordVPN subscription and protect your privacy while you trade stocks.